Today, we're tackling a common Discord hiccup, RTC connecting. Stick around as I share some straightforward fixes to get you back into seamless voice chat. Let's jump right in. The first method is a simple refresh. Turn off your Wi-Fi or enable airplane mode. Then fire up Discord. This quick reset should refresh the app and hopefully solve the RTC connecting problem. If the first method doesn't do the trick, head over to user settings in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to voice and video and click on it. Scroll to the very bottom and select standard. This should activate RTC connecting. Give it a shot. If you're still facing the issue, go back to user settings, click the gear icon, and navigate to voice and video. Click reset settings at the bottom, then hit OK. This will give Discord a thorough refresh, and hopefully RTC connecting will be back in action. And if all else fails, close out of the tab and reopen Discord. This simple restart often does wonders, essentially giving Discord a clean slate. Your RTC connecting should now be up and running. There you have it, quick and effective solutions to fix the RTC connecting Discord issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.